Hey babes, Nade should be here with a well-requested beginner-friendly sewing tutorial sponsored by Curlsqueen. Curlsqueen is a brand to signify women's beauty, power, and self-love through hair, just like their slogan goes, to be fresh, gifted, female, and black. To see how I achieved this look featuring 2 bundles of their yaki textured hair, then stay tuned. I leave about 1 inch to 1.5 inches out on the sides to achieve the most natural look. For the top, I left out just enough to be able to do both a side and a middle part if wanted. Now on to the packaging. So I thought this box was just the cutest, literally. I received a really cute brush, a gold satin bonnet, a thank you card, and also last but not least, 2 bundles of 20 inches in their yaki textured hair. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all how I like to tack down this one little braid so we can go ahead and start adding the hair end. I tend to use a curved needle just because they're a lot easier to work with versus a straight one. So if you want to make your life just a little bit easier, then stick with the straight needle. This braid needs to be tacked down as much as possible, so do not rush to sew it. This is what's going to hold all of the braids together. And in just a little bit, you'll be able to see just the blooper that I decided to leave into this video, just to kind of show you what happens when you don't knot the end of your thread properly versus when you do. Time to get the ball rolling, child. I ain't even gonna hold y'all. I am not the fastest sewer. I've been doing hair since I was 14 or 15, and I've never completed a sewing from start to finish in 2 hours like some. But that's okay. That's okay. You want to take your time with this because you don't need anything unraveling. With this, I'm using just the basic loop and pull method, and I go over the braid instead of under the braid. If you choose to go under, that's fine too. You'll get the same results. So don't too much focus on that. You just want to focus on making sure that whichever method that you're doing, that you are looping and pulling, and you are making sure that it's secure so that nothing unravels. I was so shocked that I only needed the 2 bundles that they sent me to complete this look, because when they told me they were only sending 2 bundles and that's all I would need, I kind of, was side-eyeing them just a little bit because typically you can only kind of get away with that in certain instances. But yeah, I only needed 2 bundles to complete this look. So if you do purchase this hair, then the hair is so full, you won't need to do a 3rd and 4th bundle. These are the products I like to use to get the hair silky, give it a nice low finish and all of that good stuff. I'll be using the Silk Elements Mega Silk Heat Protection Spray. I'll also be using the Care Wax Stick, which you guys won't see in this clip, but you'll see it coming up. And then my flat iron is on 385 degrees. All I have to say about this hair is, Curlsqueen, y'all did the damn thing. Like, this hair reminds me so much of the quality of Better Length's hair. I'm super big on extensions having the same amount of fullness on the ends as it does throughout the rest of the hair. And I can honestly say that they did not miss the mark on that. I completely forgot to mention the edge control that I would be using to slick down her edges. This is the Style Factor Edge Booster, and I'll also be using my edge brush alongside this as well. So now I'm going to jump into the specs of this hair, things that I liked and things that I didn't like. So as far as things that I liked, I would definitely say that the fact that it really mimics African American hair with just the natural sheen that it had to it, I feel like it would really blend in and give you the most natural look possible. The shedding, completely minimal, didn't have any tangles. And so those are a few of the things that I really loved about this hair. As far as things that I did not like, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. I couldn't find anything that I didn't like. Like, this hair really reminds me of the Better Length hair, and with Better Length hair, I said the same thing with that hair as well. There was nothing that I did not like about that hair. So I can guarantee you guys for a fact, if you were to purchase this hair, that I know that you would probably end up seeing the same exact thing, because this hair is really just that good. And if you're interested in getting it, all the specs will be featured in the description below if you like to see for yourself. If not, that's okay too, but you will be missing out. So that pretty much wraps up everything. If you guys could do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed, hit that notification bell if you haven't hit the notification bell, and I will see you guys in my next video.